Hi, I'm here at the Voco Hotel in Southampton Port, and I've stayed here overnight for one night before our cruise today on the Cunard Queen Anne. Let me show you around the hotel and a full room tour and what the breakfast's like in the morning. So this is our room 208. It's on the second floor and it's a standard king size. And as always nowadays, it is a card entry. As you can see as you walk in, it's a nice and bright room. It's a lovely sunny day today. You've got your wardrobes. You've got a half hanging rail, a safe at the top. You've got some shelves at the bottom. You've got your hairdryer in this bag, and I think this is a laundry menu if you want to have some clothes cleaned or dry cleaned. Not sure what this long narrow bit is for. It hasn't got any particular purpose. Let me know in the comments if you know what that could be used for. I don't think I'd fit in it. Is your good old tea and coffee tray. And they give you most importantly, some biscuits. They will be going in our bag. We've got some hot chocolate, tea, coffee, and a kettle. And cupboard below, you've also got a mini fridge. There's no mini bar, so you can just put your own stuff in there. The main room, luggage stand here. And just above that, you've got the air conditioning. So you can adjust it however warm or cold you like it. And you've got about 55-inch telly. So that's a TV. And here that you don't see very often, a little HDMI port underneath the TV. And we're assuming you can plug in a Fire Stick or your laptop and bring it up on the big screen. So nice little touch there. A mirror. A nice lamp and table. It's good to see they're trying to encourage recycling as well. It's always good. And a nice blue velvet chair, another little table and a funky little 60s style chair. And as you can see, there's a huge window behind, so it's got a good view. We're on the second floor, so not too high up. There's a little fire here. It's not quite cold enough for that. You've got your bedside lamp and a reading light underneath, and some sockets and USB sockets. Bedside unit and a massive bed. We were going to go with, it's a queen size, but actually if you have a little peek underneath, it's actually 2 single beds, so you can have it changed. And you've got the same on the other side in the way of lamps, sockets, etc. and a phone as well if you want a phone reception. What we did love about this room is this brilliant bit of artwork. So relevant. We've got a full length mirror here. Just go and check the bathroom out now. And the bathroom is very modern. Obviously all these rooms have been done up recently. It's lovely. But cosy. It feels like you're on a cruise ship actually. It's like one of the little cabin bathrooms. There's shaving sockets behind the mirror, and this little mirror here doesn't just show your flaws, it magnifies them. So it's another, either a love it or hate it. We've got some products. Nice little mirror, nice sink. Good old loo. And the most important part, the shower cubicle. Don't know why, that's always the bit you want to see the most. I do anyway, but I love these tiles. Again, all themed, so all blue for the sea. It's a pretty decent, considering the bathroom's not massive, it's a pretty decent sized shower. And again, being newly refurbished, lovely and shiny and new. Very nice. And you've got some bath shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And that's the bathroom. The check-in process was really easy yesterday, very friendly, informative. It was a little bit of a delay, but it was quite busy, being that there's a whole cruise ship of people checking in around about the same time. But all in all, it was good. The room, lovely and modern, all been refurbished recently. The bed was massive. It was on the firmer side, the mattress, but still comfortable, and we slept well. The shower was good and powerful, and the products were all nice in the bathroom. The breakfast was really good, lots of options, very satisfactory, nice quality food. You can't go wrong having the breakfast here. Now we're going to talk about parking. They do actually have on-site parking here, but we always park at West Quay Shopping Centre purely because it is actually cheaper. You can walk from West Quay Shopping Centre car park in under 10 minutes to the hotel. So in conclusion, this is a great hotel, especially if you're cruising out of Southampton Port. We'd recommend it, definitely, and we will be coming back soon. Thanks for watching my hotel tour, and I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.